tonight. Some Cincinnati hospitals are running out of space for patients who have died due to a COVID-19 surge. Those hospitals have added mobile morgues outside. The mobile units are refrigerated trailers used to hold bodies until funeral homes can take over their care.
WCPO 9 News reporter Courtney Francisco is outside TriHealth's Bethesda North campus to share the plan if the situation gets worse.
Bethesda North is one of the locations in our community that had to add the mobile morgues. A spokesperson says the morgue here is consistently at or over capacity due to the spread of COVID-19 in our community.
Mobile cooling units for bodies are now outside at least 4 Cincinnati hospitals.
So it is a dire situation.
Herb Walker is the president of the Greater Cincinnati Funeral Directors Association. He's part of the team that helps the state plan for a surge in deaths and says a key part of that plan is providing mobile cooling trailers to hospitals running out of room in their morgues.
We have experienced a surge here in Hamilton County, and it started, right after Thanksgiving, I would say, and it's been growing since.
UC Medical Center tells me it added mortuary capacity to support 3 inpatient locations as a precautionary measure mid-December. TriHealth says it's temporarily using a refrigerated truck at our Bethesda North campus. The Christ Hospital did not respond. None would say how many patients their morgues accommodate and how much extra space they need. The Health Collaborative helps coordinate between hospitals and says there are mobile morgues that fit 4, and there are larger trucks that fit 72.
We want to make sure that is done in the most respectful way possible. And I know it would be hard to hear that your loved one has to potentially be in a mobile morgue, but that is a reality of this pandemic.
If Ohio runs out of mobile units, Walker says the plan is to operate 3 pop-up care sites. Those would hold embalmed remains until funeral homes could catch up by burial or cremation. He has allowed us into his morgue and says pre-pandemic it held about 100 bodies over the course of a month.
We've had close to over 200 cases in the month of December.
He reminds us each case impacts many of our neighbors.
Oftentimes they aren't able to see their loved one when they pass, which makes it very difficult for them.
I asked the hospital how many patients are in the morgue now compared to a time before the pandemic, and I'm still waiting for an answer. Reporting from Bethesda North, Courtney Francisco, WCPO 9 News.